Hello, today I'm going to create a program that solves the color math module from the game Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes. We see multicolored dots on the left and right with either a red or green colored letter in the middle. Our goal is to do math with the colors corresponding to numbers, hence the name of the module, and the letter in the middle. Since we have a green M, we're multiplying one number to another. Let's start with the first number. Our left dots are black, white, blue, and orange. Looking at the manual, we see a table that tells us how to convert each number place. Our left number is 7343. Since the M is green, we do the same thing with the right dots, but with a different table. We get the number 5928. When we multiply these numbers, we get 43529,304. Since we can only input 4 digits, we take the last 4 digits of the number and get 9304. We input this by clicking on the dots on the right. The color of the corresponding numbers can be found in this row. There is the possibility for the answer to contain the same digit, but that doesn't mean the digit will share the same color, so be careful. First is red, second is purple, third is magenta, and fourth is yellow. Once we click on one of the dots, they will all become blue. If you happen to forget the colors on the right and click one of the dots, you will have to press submit and pray you get the right answer. Otherwise you will get a strike. Moving on, the left number is 3488 and the second is 3206. When we multiply them we get 12323864. So our answer is 3864. We must put in white, orange, green, yellow. Now we have an S. This means we subtract the right number from the left one. The left number is 203. The right number is 3452. When we subtract, we get minus 3249. This module doesn't care about negative numbers, so we can put in the answer as 3249. Which converted, turns into white, black, red, white. Another S left number is 119. Right number is 7908. Subtracting gives us 7789. We put in black, yellow, orange, and white. Another S, but it's red this time. We get the left number the same way, so it's 1586. The right number is now calculated by edge work. Looking at this part of the manual, we need to follow this column since we only have one battery. The first digit is the first number in the serial number, which is a 9. The second is the amount of unlit indicators, 1. Third is 9. Last is the number of RJ45 ports, 0. The right number is 9190. We then finish the module the same way we did before. We get the number 7604, which becomes black, gray, magenta, yellow. The GUI was a little tricky to think of for this one since I didn't want to make two separate ones for when the letter is red and green. I decided to have 8 combo boxes in total, 4 for the left numbers and 4 for the right ones. And a text box at the bottom for the letter. Each combo box will hold each possible color each dot will have, while the text box will only accept the letters D, A, M, and S. The program knows whether or not the letter is green by checking how many of the right combo boxes are filled. If there are 0 filled, then the program believes the letter is red and will find the right number on its own. If there are 4 combo boxes filled, then it assumes that the letter is green and will use all 8 of the combo boxes to figure out each number. If neither of these conditions apply, then the program assumes the user made a mistake and won't give an answer until either condition above is met. The first thing I created for the solving program was create an enum called colors, which contained all of the possible colors the dots can be. I then created fields that would take in the color of each dot, integers that would represent each possible digit place for the left and right numbers, and a character that would tell me what order of operations we would be doing. I then created methods that would return what that place digit would be given a color. For example, if you asked the method to find the digit of the thousands place given a blue dot, you would get a 6. There are 2 separate methods like these, one for the left number and the other for the right. I then created a method that would tell me what the left number is based on the dots. This was done by starting with the thousands place and using another method to tell me what the digit would be for that place based on the top dot. I then did the same thing with the hundreds, tens, and ones place with their respective dots. I then multiplied the thousands place by 1000, hundreds place by 100, tens place by 10, and then added all the places together. I created a similar method for the right side, but this one needs to know if the letter is red. If not, then it will find the right number the same way it finds the left number. If the letter is red, then it will use edgework to find the right number. Once both numbers are found, the program will then check to what order of operation it's doing, do it, and make the number positive and slash or reduce the number to the last 4 digits if necessary. I then created a method that converts the number into its respective list of colors. I did this by breaking the number into its digit places and used a method that tells you the respective color for each place. These colors are added to a list and then shown to the user. Let's see a demonstration. Thank you for watching the video.